Out there is race 93, under 19 boys W6 250, heat 3 of 7. Lane 1, Te Autu College. Lane 2, Kaipara College. Lane 3, Pacific Advanced Secondary School. Lane 4, Fraser High. Lane 5, Rotorua Boys High School. Lane 6, Hamilton Boys High School. Lane 7, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Te Pihinga, Kākano Mai. Lane 8, Tuakau College. Lane 9, Hastings Boys High School. Lane 10, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Hokianga. Lane 11, Napier Boys High School. And Lane 12, Manukura.
White flag e te whānau. Nice lane 5. Sitting up there. Kare kore ngā nāna. Kia tere ake rātou. Red flag. Lanes 2, 3, 4, 5, 8, 12.
Back it up, Bano, no rolling starts.
250 metres, not 245. Green flag e te whānau. Hoake katoa ngā waka. Lane 5 possibly out the front at the moment. Rotorua Boys High School.
Ooh. Lane 3 though, Pacific Advance out there, leading. Followed closely by Lane 5, Rotorua Boys High School.
Manukura still in there. Kokouri.
Ko te kura kaupapa Māori o Hastings Boys, not even a kura kaupapa ako. Someone phone my glasses, please. Hastings Boys. Lane number 5 is creeping up. That's Rotorua Boys High School for Wahanga. Let's push the boys.
Kura kaupapa Māori o Hokianga as well.
Maoli. Shut the gate, close the door, close the curtains and turn off the lights.
Hine. Ko wai, who was it?
I don't know, last time I caught it, it was not right.
There was a fight between 3, 5 and 11.
Ko hine, ko ngā tuire, we are not live results. Here we
But
go.
there's your champs. Te kura kaupapa Māori o Hokianga.
Pacific Advanced Secondary School. Uncle Chris's kids. Cheer the boys.
Second and third though, too close to call.
Kaipara College was out there. Lane number 5 was Rotorua Boys High School with their team.
Here's our replay. Quite an even start across. And we did see the black flag was still up when the green came up, so there will be time penalties. I'm going to say 10, 3, then 5.
Yeah, I agree with that. I was going to say that too.
Lane 10, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Hokianga. Oh, we're right this time.
Yep, you're right.
Sub 1 minute, Te Kura Kaupapa Māori o Hokianga. Tuarua I te ara Tuatoru Pacific Advanced Secondary School. Tuatoru I te ara Tuarima Rotorua Boys High School, both with 1 minute flat.